In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your post in Facebook. Editing a post is really useful if you've made a typo, forgotten some information, or simply changed your mind about what you wrote. Instead of deleting and reposting, you can quickly make changes to the original post and keep all your likes, comments, and shares. First, open Facebook and go to your profile. You can do this by tapping or clicking on your profile picture, or your name, usually found at the top of the screen or in the main menu. This will take you to your personal timeline, where all your posts are displayed. Take a moment to scroll and find the specific post you want to edit. It can be a status update, a photo with a caption, or another type of post you've shared. Once you've located the post you want to change, look for the three small dots near the top right corner of that post. These three dots open a menu of options related to that specific post. Go ahead and click or tap on them. Don't worry, nothing will happen to your post yet. This simply brings up more actions you can take. After you click the three dots, a menu will appear. In that list, look for the option that says Edit Post. Select that option. When you do, Facebook will switch the post into edit mode. You'll see the existing text become editable, and you may also be able to adjust things like tagged people, locations, or added feelings depending on the type of post. Now, carefully make the changes you want. You can correct spelling mistakes, add more details, remove something you no longer want to share, or rephrase the entire caption if needed. Take a second to read through your updated text to make sure everything looks the way you want. Keep in mind that after editing, people may be able to see that the post was edited, depending on Facebook's current settings. When you're happy with your changes, look for the Save or Done button, usually at the bottom of the editing area, and click or tap it. Your post will update with the new content, and it will stay in the same place on your timeline.